welcome to tonight's discussion on how to secure the future of your child financially in this present economy. My name is Emmanuel Dankwa, and I'm here with
Calcary Antwi from Prudential Life Insurance Company.
So can you brief us about the brand Prudential Life?
So Prudential Life Insurance Company is a multinational company, a company that you don't find just in Ghana but in other countries. Prudential Life Insurance started in the UK 175 years ago, but in Ghana it has been in existence for just 10 years. But 10 years is not just, it's really a long journey. The first people Prudential Life Insurance insured were the people on the Titanic ship. The families of those who lost their lives and those who got injured on the ship were the first people to be insured. And Prudential Life Insurance, those were their first clients. Yes. Prudential Life Insurance also have a lot of opportunities to give people who work with us to build or emergency funds or plan for the future of themselves and their family as a whole. So Prudential Life Insurance is a brand you can rely on.
Wow, that's very nice. 175 years. Wow, older than Ghana as well. Okay, so let's go straight to the next question. How can one secure the life of his child in this present economy?
Okay, we all know that in this hardship that we are facing now as a country, it is quite difficult to make the decision to save or plan in terms of finances in case of future emergencies. But there is also a need for us to plan or have an emergency fund in case we have future challenges. This emergency fund is going to be a saving net for us, and that is how you can actually secure the future of your child. Money is very important. It controls a lot of things. To school, you need money. To eat, you need money. To rent, you need money. To do a lot of things, you need money. And that is why, while living lives today, we also have to plan how we can have a better future, a relaxed future, by planning our finances today.
Okay, so the next question is, what are some of your policies, your main policies concerning securing the future of a child in education?
So we have two policies. That is the World Plan and then the support plan. The reason why we call the first one the World Plan is because the sum assured is quite huge. So when we say sum assured, we mean that at the end of the policy, or when the policy matured, this is the money you can count for. So that is an assured sum. Nothing is taken from it, nothing is added to it. That is why we call it an assured sum. So at the end of the policy, with this policy, at the end of it, you shouldn't go home with less than 100,000 Ghana cedi. So we don't go below 100,000 Ghana cedi, and that is why we call it a wealth plan. Now, also with this policy, the higher your age, the bigger your premium. So when we say premium, we are talking about monthly savings. People can do it annually or quarterly. It depends on the client, but monthly savings depends on your age and the number of years you are choosing. In life insurance, the older you are, the higher your premium. The younger you are, the lower your premium. And the years you are choosing, the shorter the years, the bigger the premium. The longer the years, the lower the premium. So let's look at someone who is 29 years old buying a a wealth plan of about 100,000, the person will be paying a monthly premium of 270 cedis for 15 years if they are going on this policy. We have 5 years, we have 10 years, we have 8 years, and we have 12 years, as well as the 15 years I mentioned earlier on. So the clients will look at their strength, their financial strength, and they will decide on which year or which years they can go for. So between 5 and 15 years, a client can choose any of these options or any of these terms, and then we'll go on the policy. And then aside that too, on the policy, if the policy holder, when we say policy holder, the person who signed on the policy is the policy holder. So if the policy holder should pass on, the family is also covered. So the family will get the sum assured and will get 10% of the sum assured every year until the term is over. We also have a support plan. So with a support plan, the minimum premium is 100 cedis, and the minimum term is 8 years. The maximum is 25 years. So you look at the age of your child today and look at what you should expect in 8 years' time, or where you want your child to be. How are you going to fund for your child's school fees in the future, or SS, senior high school? How are you going to fund? We know free SHS is in now, but seriously, it's not really as free as we hear about it. So with this policy, as I said, you're paying 100 cedis as a premium, and the years depends on you. But with this policy, we can give you a sum assured, because sum assured may change due to economic crisis. So this is about our policy.
Thank you very much for being here with us. And then the last question I want to ask is, Ghanaians are listening, so they want to know where to get you, how to contact you. How would they get to you?
Okay, so when you want to get in touch with me, you can contact me on 0243 290578. Yeah, 0243 290578, and we will have a discussion with you. If you have questions that you think we need to address, if you need reassurance on some of our policies, you can contact me on the number I mentioned earlier on.
Okay, so thank you for being here with me tonight. Thank you very much for coming. We appreciate it. Bye bye.